Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, keyless start, daytime running lights, air suspension, heated mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.